Hey guys, Dr. Galyardt here at the Functional Medicine Center of Fort Collins, and I am the author of the book Rebuild Your Brain, Stop the Damage, Start the Repair, and also our latest book, Blood Sugar Doesn't Lie. And this just came out in the last couple days. It's pre-order on Amazon. We are looking at a June 15th or so delivery date. We do have some copies in the office. And I want to go over today thyroid. Thyroid is a very common issue that we see all the time with patients. We're having a workshop this Thursday night. Probably every 2-3 months we have one because it is so prevalent, such an issue for so many people. And the real thing is that it's underserved. It's this underserved category of health. Because why? Because all that happens is let's cover up the symptoms. Let's try to give a medication, give a medication, give a medication. Instead of what we have to do is figure out the underlying why. And this is one of the biggest things I talk about the entire night as we're doing that thyroid workshop is why is the body going haywire? Why are we having the issues that we are? It's not just a matter of, okay, I don't want to take this medication anymore, but instead I want to take a supplement. I want to take some herbs, some iodine, whatever it is, or don't eat these cabbage or whatever vegetables they do. Those are not going to fix your thyroid problems. What is going to fix your problem, especially with the thyroid, is why is the thyroid going haywire? Why is it out of balance? Is it a pituitary issue that's telling the thyroid what to do? Is it an underconversion of T4 to T3 active hormone? Is it a problem with the Hashimoto's and we have autoimmune going on there? So I get in depth into all these different scenarios, give you exactly the reasons why you probably have your thyroid issues going on. And one of the number one things that I start with telling people when we get going with the workshop is probably 80% of your symptoms are not thyroid related. What does that mean? Well, it could be constipation, it could be hard time losing weight, it could be your hair falling out, it could be that you're cold all the time. All of these symptoms, if you look up online, it'll say, hey, that's thyroid. But guess what? It's not, again, 80% of the time, it's not thyroid that is the problem. Even when it is a thyroid hormone number that's out of balance, it's usually still not the thyroid that's the problem. So that's what we've got to do. We've got to use all of our skills available to get in depth and figure out the exact why that somebody's having this experience. We give this seminar for free. We want the information to get out there. So many people deserve to know exactly why they're having the issues that they are, and that no amount of Synthroid, levothyroxine, natural thyroid hormone, herbs, supplements, whatever is going to fix your thyroid. But when we put the whole picture together and look at the body as a whole, just like the functional medicine approach, we're going to be able to figure out that underlying why, and we're going to fix whatever system, whether it's your blood sugar system, whether it's your liver system, whether it's the detoxification, whether it's your immune system is revved up and is attacking itself, or you have a chronic infection, or your brain is off. Whatever is out of balance can be fixed. This is what we do with patients every single day. So if you can make it into the office on Thursday, it's 6:15. It's going to be at our office at 110 West Harvard. If you can't, we will be streaming this live on Facebook as well. And last time our screen wasn't flipped, but we will have that flipped this time, so you will be able to see everything that we're writing on the board. And I'm going to give you as much information as I possibly can, really unlock that confusion about why the thyroid's going out of balance and what we can do to help that. So if you have any questions, comments, if you know anybody at all that deals with thyroid symptoms, friends, family, anybody, share, send this over to them. They deserve to know what they need to do differently to change their life, get their energy back, lose their weight, do all the things they want to do to feel better.